Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make engine flywheel by SolidWorks. Well on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and click Part and click OK. First of all, you select the plane. We can select top plane and sketch. Now draw the circle from origin. Now go to Smart Dimension and give the circle below 300. Now go to Feature and Extrude. Now give the below 50. Okay. Now go to top plane and top face and sketch. Now draw the circle from to origin. Now give the circle below 250. Now go to Feature and Extrude Card. Now select here 10. Okay. Now go to again this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here to origin. Give the circle below 100. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here give the below 30. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now go to offset. Now select here. Or you can draw the circle here. Give the circle below 65. Okay, now go to feature and extrude card. Now select the through all. Okay. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the hair slot. Now here select slot. Okay. Now give the slot dimension slot below. Slot below 30 or 15. 15 below. Now this point and this point below 35. Now this point and this point below 'Give the value 60. 60 is the big size. Now we can have 20 below. Select. Now this control this circle concentric. Okay. Now this below 30. 30. Now this point and this point below 35. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now here extrude card through all. Okay. Now go to circular pattern and select here. This is select, this circle select. Now select here card. We just select 4. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now just select here shaded. You can select here fillet, little bit flat here use 1, here 1 and here 1, this phase 1 and this phase 1, this phase 1. Okay. Now go to isometric view and select here plain white. Now here use materials nickel or cast alloy steel as you wish. Where use cast alloy steel. Isometric view. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all. Everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. And you can use here slot, key slot for job. You can key slot. This face sketch and draw the center rectangular from here. Now give the value. You can here use slot or as you wish. No need. You can no need slot or you can use okay. Give the small slot 10 and this circle type below 10. Select. Now this point control this point vertical. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now you can use through all as you wish. Okay. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box. Our online class 1-to-1 you can join our class anywhere in the world.